AvPro is proud to present this Challenger 350, serial number 20803. The Challenger 350 business jet exceeds expectations and reaches new heights in comfort and performance. With its groundbreaking cabin design, new range capability, and lowest in-class direct operating costs, no opportunity to advance on class-leading excellence has been overlooked. The outperforming Challenger 350 aircraft is earning the appreciation and approval of executives, pilots, and operators everywhere, offering more performance, definitive reliability, and unmatched value. Serial number 20803 offers a quiet cabin with a double club configuration, including a belted aft lavatory. Connectivity and entertainment features include GoGo L5 Swift broadband, enhanced maps, and MultiScan weather. The Challenger 350, serial number 20803, presented exclusively by AvPro. AvPro, celebrating 30 years of excellence.